Hey guys, we just got our winter FabFitFun boxes and we are so excited. There is some amazing stuff in here that we actually picked because you get to customize your boxes.
Oh yeah, and you guys are going to want to use our code because you're going to get $10 off your first box. But
yes.
I'm way too excited. I can't wait to see what's in
this
my
is
box.
Every season you get to kind of treat yourself.
Yeah.
It's so nice. So we love us some FabFitFun and I cannot wait to see. I know there's a couple surprises.
Ooh,
look at that. Hey. Oh.
Okay, so first of all, I had to choose the slippers because I am all about comfort. Like anything that's soft or cozy, as soon as I step off stage, I'm literally changing into comfy clothes. So I chose these slippers. I
want to put my
cannot wait.
hand in it.
I know, they're as soft as I thought they'd
nice.
be. They're from PJ Salvage, and they're so soft.
I like
I
that.
can't put these on right now.
Okay, I think this is just a little crossbody bag. That is so cute.
I love the neutral color too for winter.
Yeah.
It's such a
This is super cute and little lightweight purse, perfect for winter, great color. Love it.
So I've been needing a new eyeshadow palette, so I'm excited about the
Beauty Bakery.
Beauty Bakery. Proof is in the pudding. I mean, that's really cute packaging, really cute name. These are like very neutral.
Yeah.
Fall, winter colors. I like it. I'm gonna be wearing this warm cocoa out for sure.
I know, I love
so
that.
So pretty, wow.
Ooh, I love this brand, Cuccio. So these products are amazing. They smell great. They work amazing. This is the Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. I already have the Epsom salt in my bathtub from them. So okay, let's do the smell test.
A smell test.
Oh, that's nice and lavendery. Oh my gosh, it's spilling everywhere. Yikesy.
So I feel like winter is when you really need to put on the heavy moisturizing cream on your face because your skin gets dry and it's really cold. So this Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, I'm so excited about. It says it helps with eczema, dry skin. Can't wait. I probably need this on my face right now.
Goat milk is actually awesome for the winter and for my hypoallergenic friends. I use a lot of goat milk products because it's not going to irritate your skin.
It's so cute, and let's smell it. We got to smell it. Ooh, I like it. It's very gentle.
I like that.
Yeah.
Feels like, not too fragrancy, so it doesn't make you break out. Okay, Tae can attest to this guy right here, the makeup eraser. She said this works amazing. It's basically this cute little towel, and it takes all of your makeup off.
With water, guys. You don't even need face wash.
I'm into this.
Gone.
Because sometimes face wipes will irritate my skin or they like scratch my eyes and then...
And sometimes I get lazy and I don't want to look for my face wash, so that's going to be my go-to.
This is perfect travel.
Can't wait. I love anything rose gold, and I'm so excited about this cute little dainty bracelet. It's Adore by Swarovski Crystals, and I can't wait. I love
I know,
rose
that's
golds.
like
this would go with you right now.
I know, that's fancy. I got these Karuna face masks. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7. Surprise! There's another one. Oh my gosh. There's a hydrating. I mean, they kind of have one for all of your needs. There's anti-age, brightening, clarifying, exfoliating, hydrating.
That's nice.
It's kind of everything
all your
in one.
winter skin needs in one.
That is amazing.
I love that.
This is a good item right here.
Ooh, I'm so excited about Thirsty Hands. So I guess this is moisturizer for your hands, and this is by the brand Nails Inc. London. It's like a mask for your hands, and it's so cute. It's like a little palm tree decoration.
So when you're missing summer in the winter time.
Yeah, when your hands need some hydration, which they always do.
This brand always smells amazing. Dry Bar, I love all of their products. This is the Pep Rally Spray. It's a prime and prep detangler.
Ooh, let's get a little spritz.
I know, let's see. Whoop.
Ooh, it smells good. It's not supposed to go on my face.
Yeah, sorry.
No, it didn't. I went like this to put it on my face. I was like,
just straight to the eyeball. Yeah, you need some Dry Bar in your eye. Okay, this is really nice.
It smells great.
Smells amazing, and it's just pretty, so it looks pretty on your countertop.
Yeah, I love that.
Okay, what's next for you?
So,
I like that.
So I picked the coffee scrub. I love a good coffee scrub. Coffee is good for everything, to drink and to put on your body. This says, guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. It's a coffee scrub by the brand Frank Body. I love this packaging, and I can't wait to use it.
I'm excited that they have a coffee scrub because I've made a DIY one and made a mess.
And they smell amazing, too.
So now this makes it so much
vegan.
easier.
Woohoo.
Hey. Okay, this is really cool. This is called the Color Switch, and it is by Vera Mona. And basically, it just makes cleaning your brushes in between uses so much easier. It's like I feel like it's this like not scratchy, but it's tough enough to where whenever you're putting your brushes in, it's actually cleaning them.
That's cool.
So this is gonna be amazing for tour because we have to do our makeup every single day and get on stage, and you don't want funky makeup brushes. So, and this is tiny. You know how to bring a whole bottle of brush cleaner, you know? Love it. So this is a eyelash and eyebrow conditioner by Lashes MD, which I have to glue on falsies and use my natural eyelashes mostly. So this is really, really perfect for me.
Cute.
I'm
I need
super
that on
excited.
my eyebrows.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh my gosh, it's such a tiny tip so you can really get on
in
your
there.
lash line.
Yeah, you can be having them long lashes for winter time, so you can be flirting, you know.
Flirt
like that.
Little bathroom.
Is that how you flirt? I don't know. Okay, so the last item that I am probably most excited about here is this giant fuzzy blanket.
Soft.
It's huge. Like, look at this. It's
This is
ginormous.
going on the bus for sure. It's gonna be a bus blanket.
Yeah, bus blanket for sure. And then probably to my bunk. No, I'm just kidding. I'll share. No, this is really, really nice. And it's huge. Like I probably wouldn't be able to take it out right now. Let's see. It is by Unhide. I mean, I bet this blanket
really
costs more
pretty.
than this whole entire box put together.
It's so gorgeous.
So not only do you get to have an incredible subscription box and treat yourself every season, you get to be a part of this incredible community, lots
Member
of deals.
sales, FabFitFun TV. It's just so much more than a box, and we don't want you guys to miss out on the party.
Yes.
So go get your box. Use our code for $10 off.
Yes, go get your fuzzy blanket and cozy up and use your coffee scrub because you're going to get crusty this winter.
Cozy up.
Do some yoga.
Put on your slippers.
On here. Put on your slippers. Go skiing. Come on. All right, guys, enjoy your treat to yourself or your friends. Yeah, so sign up now.
You're going to love it.